Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you want to keep your closet or other enclosed area smelling fresh and moisture free? I have found a solution that works so well, is good for the environment, and you don't have to replace. I've been using these moisture absorbers from Airganic in my closet, under my bed, in enclosed areas where I struggle to keep mold and mildew and moisture at a minimum. We are full-time RVers and we live in an area of the Pacific Northwest that's extremely rainy, and so this is something that we battle with all the time. I'm so pleased that I can use something that is natural, plant-based, it smells good, and it actually works. I just hate using the chemical moisture absorbers that we would accidentally knock over and spill and just aren't great for the environment. I love that the bag comes with a little loop so I can hang it on things. I hang it on the side of my closet on a hook, or I even put it on a clothes hanger and hang it in with the clothes. I think this is such an amazing natural alternative if you're wanting to control moisture or odors, and that's my point of view.